Now on NBC10 News at 5, a stunning reversal just weeks after Jussie Smollett was indicted on charges he lied about being attacked. Prosecutors in Chicago today dropped all charges against the actor, but prosecutors say this does not mean they think Smollett is innocent of staging a racial and homophobic attack against himself. Instead, prosecutors call today's reversal part of a deal reached by both sides.
They say charges were dropped in return for Smollett's agreement to do community service and forfeit his $10,000 bail, but Smollett's lawyer immediately disagreed.
Plenty of people forfeit their bond in situations like this. Jussie voluntarily agreed to the forfeiture of the bond money. There is no deal. The state dismissed the charges.
NBC10 legal analyst Enrique L1 Latoison. Enrique, who is right here?
Well, the prosecution clearly is. I mean, this is a deal. This was a diversionary situation. He agreed to pay $10,000. Obviously, that money is going to go to the time and the effort that was spent for the police and the time they had to do to investigate his claims. Also, he's agreeing to do community service. Now, if the prosecution normally in cases like this have not prosecuted other people and have not taken it to trial, it's not exactly right to treat him any different just because he's famous and therefore get into a protracted legal fight over this case.
So is Smollett on solid legal ground as he now claims he is innocent?
Well, when you get into these kind of deals, you're allowed to profess your innocence. No one asks if you're guilty. You just ask to enter into a diversionary program. And that's what he did in this case. So he legally still has the right to say he's innocent. I think it's a little odd that he would do it so quickly and put egg basically all over the prosecution's face in this case when you have the mayor and the chief of police being very upset about it. He's allowed to say he's innocent because he never pled guilty. And that is usually a very core principle when you enter into a diversionary program. You're allowed to say, I never did it.
An interesting turn of events with this one. Enrique L1 Latoison, thanks so much for being here with your insight.